fucking hard. I'll call you. We'll talk about it later. Later. You ain't seen the burnt house, have you?
I ain't been in it.
Want to see it?
Sure.
So we had a house fire, what, 6 months ago? Still ain't decided what we're gonna do with it. This is where the fire started right here. Went up, engulfed the whole garage, spread that way. But it really ain't as bad as it seems. Come check it out though. Paid these motherfuckers $700! $700 to put a tarp over that hole. And look, this is what's wrong with the world today. $700 they charged me to put the tarp over that hole. And look, I got a runt fucking floor now. Somebody's been in my basement. Cause I wasn't open. Look, that's what smoke damage does. That's where a rug was. Is that not fucking crazy?
That is nuts.
Yeah. It got so hot in here. Look, no fire was back here. I had contacts in a fucking bin sitting back here. And they melted. That's hot. And look, they cut a goddamn hole down here to check temperature. So now I gotta fucking fix that hole. Well, really all the drywall's gotta come out. The house has to go to studs. All the way, completely down to studs, inside and out, and go up from there. So, you know. No, but you can't beat the location. See, if we remodel, I'm knocking this wall down, and I'm gonna make open concept living room and kitchen, and then we're gonna have no more attached garage, and it's gonna be a master bedroom and master bathroom. But the best thing about this place is the view. Look at this. Trees in the way now, but you get it. It's fucking nice out here. I can't believe they ain't cut my damn grass. New compressor. You think we should put it up against the cab? Probably. Oh, I can scoot it up there. That'll work. You want to try to shove it? You ain't gonna hurt the truck. Thank you guys. Thank you. Appreciate it. Hope no slow around. That's a big one, Bob. We got a new air compressor. What is it? 15.8 CFM. She's a big one, 80 gallon. We gotta be able to paint. We're making it happen. Ain't going nowhere.
good, hopefully. Because today is a poorhouse day.
Poorhouse day. We ain't gonna Taco Bell right there, man. So we're starting to paint some cars. We got one compressor that runs one side of the shop, and I ain't too thrilled with it. So we're gonna keep that one running that side of the shop, and we're gonna put a brand new setup on the other side of the shop for nothing but painting. Let's get it. We're at Shake Burger Drive-In in Paoli, Indiana. Check it out. We're gonna have to compare it to Walls in Cannleton. What do you want?
Probably double bacon cheeseburger.
I think I might try the fish. You reckon I got a mean fish sandwich? What kind of sides they got? Side orders, french fries, chili cheese fries. They got chili cheese fries. Broccoli cheese bites. We gotta try those.
Yeah.
Breaded mushrooms. We're gonna go order some food and we'll let you guys know how it is. I didn't want to uncover it because it's raining. Well, it was. Now the sun's out and I don't have my sunglasses. I bitch a lot, don't I? So we gotta uncover this. Put that down there.
That might be worse.
Why?
Still gonna blow.
That's why I'm tucking it in. Can you believe we're not driving a 7.3 today? In a good old LS Chevy. Update. We got our root beer floats overflowing, pouring everywhere, and normally I would have got mad. But this food looks fire. But it's freaking messy. Show them your chili cheese fries. We're in a hurry, so we're not gonna stop and eat. I can't stop looking at cars. So we're not gonna stop and eat. We're trying to eat while we're driving. Yeah, I don't know how this is gonna work. Stay tuned. Steak burger, 10 for 10. Like, look at that, dude. I don't know what kind of sauce that is. It's good. If you're ever in Paoli, Indiana, stop by Shake Burger and get a steak burger. And we got some broccoli and cheese bites there. Fire. Oh, that's what's making noise. That's nice to know. Look at that. Wah, wah, wah. Ooh, you hear that? Like a good old 7.3. We need to find a tailgate for that. Anybody got a white 6.4 or 6.7 tailgate? I need one. I need two, actually. We need one for that truck.
Oh shit.
That was fucking great. You see that? We skewed it in. I don't know if it's gonna fit in the skin. You need some doors? Need some Super Duty doors? What? Hey, we got a deal on that.
Fucking down there was 12.
Well, I got 15% discount. And I'm tax exempt. I got this, water separator, dryer, and the hose reel, all of it fucking hurt. And this is a 15.8 CFM. This is a good compressor. Now I'm gonna go get your other stuff you need.
Is your forks all, is it past that over there? It is, okay, you're good.
So we're making progress. We got the compressor in. We're making progress on the parts room. We had about 400 tires in here and shelves going every which direction. We got them out, starting to line our parts up around. I'm getting it to where I can put engines and transmissions on skids under the shelf. That way when somebody wants to buy one, back up to the door, grab the forklift, load them up. But we're gonna get this organized. Any Super Duty parts you need, any 99 to 06 Chevy parts you need, more than likely we got them. We're starting to get pretty stocked up. Give me a call. We got the new air compressor in. Was gonna put a dryer on the wall, couldn't find one locally. Wanted to go ahead and start using it. So we got a water separator here and a regulator. Make sure she's done a good job. Got her on a switch out here. Got her on a nice switch. Hose reel up. As you can see, we're starting to do some body work, some filler on the red truck doors. Thing's been in here for 2 months. We're finally getting on it. Normally these two bays, we don't do much with these. We just work on the other side, and I got a compressor on the other side, and I had a spare, and it had to go over there. So in turn, we had to get a new one for this side. But we're getting this side up to where we can work on our own projects. As you can see, the clear started to fall off the doors on this truck because these two doors in particular had some paint work done. Now I know I'm gonna get a bunch of people saying that's not the right way, painting two doors. It's a work truck, it's sold already, it's a 7.3. We're painting two doors and we're done with it. So, let's get to work on that. You guys are gonna see a video over just this truck when it's finished up, and I'll show you how well we can make the paint match on these two doors.